What's up, guys? It is Johnny. We're out here shooting this roof today, doing a little bit of 6% sodium hypochlorite, and we are using the P40 system in order to pump this SH and water mixture up onto the roof. P40 works great. We've used 12-volt soft wash pump before. A roof this size, we would have had to have ladder up to use our 12-volt soft wash system to be able to hit the top of this ridge real well. However, with the P40, man, we're shooting probably 7 to 8 gallons a minute easily, I would say, if not more. And it'll shoot 50, 60 feet up. So, I mean, we'll, maybe 40 to 50, we'll say. But it could easily shoot over the top of this roof. So, no problem hitting this whatsoever. All of the gliocaps of magma all over the roof looks like it's dying out pretty well. The black streaks on the roofs are what we're washing for. If you're unfamiliar with roof washing, you just basically you're treating the shingles with a bleach-based, which is sodium hypochlorite based chemical that is going to not hurt the shingles but will kill all of the living organics on them, which will prolong the life of the roof as well as make the shingles look new again instead of looking so black and dingy. Again, the P40 here really showing the strength. I mean, I'm shooting 2.5 stories up, it looks like, to the top of this ridge on the top part of the roof, and hitting it no problem. The P40 lets me shoot well up over this roof to the other side, which is also great because we're washing the whole roof. So it's just getting Kim on the other side at the peak, which is always the best place to have the Kim because gravity obviously pulls it downward. So if you can hit the peak, you can wash the roof. It's kind of the way we always look at that. But again, P40 system is awesome. We only have about 200 feet of hose on there, so I can shoot the back of most of this roof. And then in a minute, I believe here, we have to move it on around just to get to the rest of the roof. But again, 6% sodium hypochlorite. This is how we wash a roof. I already know somebody will be in the comments and say how much was the roof. There is other footage on this channel, or there will be soon here, of the front side of the roof with me washing it as well, for both front side and back. And we did this little gazebo roof on the side over here as well on the left. The whole project was $1,075 and it took us an hour and a half. We used exactly 30 gallons of SH, and I think we're paying $3.99 a gallon for SH right now, buying 275 gallons at a time. Big IBC tote. So very, very cool. Roof washing at its finest. So I'm going to go ahead and move this around to the other side so I can reach the back of the roof and call it a day. Guys, thanks for stopping by, CEO of One. Hit like, hit comment, hit subscribe. If you got a question, put it down below and I'll be happy to answer it when I finally see it. Peace.